Have is the root verb and is generally used alongside the pronouns I, you, we and they and plural nouns. Generally, have is a present tense word. Has is used alongside the pronouns he, she, it and who and singular nouns. Singular refers to one person, animal, thing, etc.
Have. You have. We have. They have. He has. She has. It has.
Match the verbs. Write your answers in the notebook. Present your work in the class. Write sentences in your notebook. Present your work in the class. Write sentences in your notebook. Present your work in the class. What do they have?